guys, welcome to this today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the pet belt at your home. So without wasting any time, we'll get started. So first of all, I'll show you what are the instruments you will require. So you will require this material. First, the nylon belt, then this buckle, then this hook. Okay, so you can find these materials at your old school bag. I have taken from my old school bag. Also, you can purchase it from any general store. These are very cheap materials. An instrument is stitching instrument and this scissor. Okay, so we'll start the procedure. First of all, take the dimension of your pet. I have already taken the dimensions of my pet. So these are my dimensions, and also keep 2 to 3 inches extra for future adjustment. If you are creating the belt for cat, just 1 and 2 inches are enough. But if you are creating for dog, you must keep 2 to 3 inches extra for future adjustment. So first, cut the belt according to the dimension. So I'm cutting the belt. So this is the required dimension of belt. Then take this female side of buckle, insert the belt from top side of this buckle like this. It will take some time because the gap is very less. Like this, and fold the belt like this and stitch at this end. Next, take this hook and insert this hook in the belt like this. Make sure that this side will be at bottom side of belt like this. Then take the male side of this belt buckle, take your belt and insert the belt from this first hook like this. Then insert the belt from second hook like this. And adjust the belt size according to your belt score. And that's it. Your belt is ready to use. Hope you like this video. You can share this video. Also subscribe for channel. Thank you.